Be going to is formed with the verb to be is are, going to plus base form of the main verb. For example, I'm going to eat, she is going to study, they are going to travel. Be going to is commonly used to express intentions or plans that have already been decided. For example, I'm going to visit my grandmother next weekend. Be going to can also be used for predictions based on current evidence. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain. Be going to is often used in spoken English and informal writing. We are going to have a great time at the party. To form the negative, add not after the verb to be. She is not going to attend the meeting. To form questions, invert the subject and the verb to be. Are you going to join us for dinner? I am going to start a new book tonight. He is going to watch a movie later. They are going to play soccer tomorrow. The be going to structure is widely used to discuss future events or plans. For more tips, follow me and subscribe. Thanks for watching.